Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to show you how to make pumpkin Roganjosh or Alle Roganjosh. Pumpkin is loaded with nutrients and is available everywhere, and it tastes amazing. So let's get started. For making this pumpkin Roganjosh or Alle Roganjosh, I have taken pumpkin, I have peeled it and cut it into the cubes like this. And I have taken oil we need for frying also. 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder or badian, salt according to our taste, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chilli powder, or you can adjust according to your taste, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, and whole spices include cinnamon, cumin seeds, cloves and green cardamom, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'll be leaving a link of ingredients used in the description box, and I'm using this onion paste. I have fried the onions and then blend them to a paste. Now in a pan I have heated up oil and I have added pumpkin to it. We have to fry it here. Medium flame has to be medium. We have to fry it on all sides till it turns brown. I'll take them out and use another batch of pumpkin, fry them too. Here you can see it's fried properly and it should be brownish on the surface like this. Then we'll take it out. Fried pumpkin, you can see. Now I have taken out the extra oil from the pan and I have just left a tablespoon of oil in it, and I'll be adding whole spices, green cardamom, cumin seeds, cloves and cinnamon, and bay leaves also. Saute them. Here you can keep the flame on medium to low, and then add onion paste. Mix it properly. You can add ginger garlic paste also if you have. And then we will be adding all the spices: salt, turmeric powder, ginger powder, garam masala, coriander powder, turmeric powder, chilli powder, fennel seed powder. Mix, and then we will be adding half a cup of water so that the spices won't burn. Now I had added more water, and then we will be adding pumpkin to it, and we have to cook it. Now I'll mix it and then we will cook it. I'll cover it for a few minutes, but we have to be gentle with stirring so that the pumpkin doesn't break, because pumpkin pieces should not break or else it won't be Roganjosh. We will cook it on medium flame for 5 to 10 minutes maximum, or else pumpkin will start breaking, and pumpkin is quite soft so it doesn't need much cooking, just that it should get the taste of spices. And here you can see we have to be gentle with stirring. So here our pumpkin Roganjosh is ready. It tastes really good, and you can add tamarind also if you like sour taste. It will give a very good taste if you add tamarind too to it. I am not adding. You can add chilies also in good quantity if you like hot curry. So it tastes really good, and tamarind will also mask the sweetness because pumpkin is little sweet in taste, and I'm adding here a little bit more salt because it was having less salt. So here our pumpkin Roganjosh is ready. So the important thing is it should not break. The pieces should remain as they are. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. And I'll be leaving a link of Urdu and Kashmiri recipe in the description box. You can check out my Urdu and Kashmiri channel. Thank you.